My name is Gaston Perry III. Kind of gone by the name Trey as well. My parents, my friends all call me Trey. I was a student, went to dental school at University of Maryland School of Dentistry in Maryland, in Baltimore, Maryland. I completed my general practice residency following that at Harbor-UCLA Medical Center in California. And I currently work for a nonprofit community clinic. Per a scholarship I had in dental school, the scholarship paid my full tuition in exchange for me working for an underserved community for a few years. I do plan to open my own practice at some point, if not more than one, maybe two or three. That's kind of a tentative plan for myself. So I kind of going to practice for a little bit and kind of just see, kind of play out the field and kind of see what I like the most in dentistry. However, I do like a lot of crown and bridge, a lot of implants. That's kind of what my training was in residency. Did a lot of implants, a lot of surgery as well. So I may stay general dentistry, which I do enjoy, but I also may specialize down the road further on, doing things that I enjoy more, so more complex full mouth rehab cases. As far as clubs go, I was in CORE, which is Community Outreach and Engagement. I was a member for about a year and a half. After that, I was the Vice President of Community Relations. Our main kind of goal was to incorporate more community service events in the community. So my role as Vice President of Community Relations was to kind of come up with certain community service events for dental school to partake in. So that was a role I had for a year. Following that, I was president of the club. I was also part of the Student National Dental Association, SNDA, for a few years in dental school as well. Actually, all throughout dental school, actually. Served as fundraising chair for about a year, and then I was just a general member. Aside from that, I did get recognized for a few different awards. I was awarded the National Health Service Corps Scholarship. I was awarded the Public Health Activity Scholarship on graduation. So that's just due to my time leading the Community Outreach Club. The first thing, I think it's really important to just become close with your classmates. You're with them for 4 years. Also your professors as well. So your professors, your clinical attendings, your pre-clinical attendings, all those people. It's really important to just be close with them and having a circle, people you can go to for study advice, people you can study with. Another thing I want to mention is having a good school life balance. You're very busy in dental school, but life always goes on. Life still goes on. So you want to have a life outside dental school. Something for you that's refreshing, helps you relax. Having a healthy outside life is always going to be helpful to you in your career. I'm really big on helping people who really need the help the most. I was an applicant in dental school. I kind of felt like information's out there, but it's really hard to kind of find and to even put into one place so it's easy to understand and digest. It's kind of what I want to give back to my students, just having the information, help students kind of find their authentic stories, helping match your strengths with your mission to why you're applying to dental school in the first place, and even further why you're applying to certain schools in the first place. Just developing practical strategies to stand out in your interviews, your statements, and just in the clinical evaluation. So those things are all, I think, very important, and that's kind of what I am here to help you with. A lot of my strengths revolve around being empathetic, being clear, being strategic. So having strategy. I'm a pretty strong communicator. I feel like I can quickly identify what makes someone unique and I help them turn that into a compelling narrative. So I don't want to just help you just get in. I want to help you kind of thrive once you get in. So I'm not here to provide, again, just any kind of feedback. I want to give you honest feedback, but also pair it with solutions and encouragement as well. The reason why I'm passionate about helping students and being a consultant, because I've been in your shoes. I understand how challenging it can be to navigate this process, especially if you don't have certain resources. You may not have family who are in medicine or in healthcare at all, and all this is pretty much just new to you. So I pride myself in being a strong mentor. It's something that I love to do. I find it's my way of paying it forward, and I think it's super important and valuable experience.